Not sinking, that's a good thing.
Yep.
Holy shit.
Yeah. Fish is cool. That's about half.
Half throttle?
Better. Depron, just keep on floating. Yeah, but you see how the cub's completely out of the water?
Yep.
You see how it handles?
Yeah, it was dynamite.
Huh? I mean, right now, dude. You're loafing now. See how the tail ends up?
Yeah. Say hi, Steve.
Blow me. Okay, world's first all Depron outrigger micro hydroplane. Thunder Power, 3-cell, 1320 milliamp LiPo. That is a mile high RC 26 kV outrunner, phenomenal motor, Arctura hardware throughout. And that's about it.
What's it weigh?
All up weight, soaking wet's 13 ounces.
Nicely done.
And